Out here, nothing is trying to be anything else. The trees aren't wishing they were taller. The stream isn't rushing to prove it can flow faster. The sky isn't asking if it's blue enough today. Everything simply exists, exactly as it is. And somehow, being here reminds me that I can too. I don't have to change to be worthy. I don't have to earn my place. I don't have to be more than I am in this moment. Nature never doubts its own enoughness. And when I'm surrounded by it, I start to believe I'm enough too.